This might be the coolest whiskey set I've ever seen. Today I'm going to be reviewing Royal Reserve's Bullet Whiskey Stones gift set. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I'm super excited. We are going to look at this together, so let's open this up and see how cool this is. Wow. I don't even get excited opening up anything. All right, here you go. Nice crate with this. Handles. Look at this. Whiskey crate. That's what it looks like on the top, back, bottom. Just a wooden crate. Now I'm even more excited. I could already tell that this would be the best gift if somebody had gotten this for me. First of all, small little thing here. Whiskey cards. All about history of whiskey, bourbon, just a bunch of different cards with facts on them. That's what it looks like. All right, I'm gonna take stuff out of here and then we're gonna look at it individually. You cannot have a whiskey set without coasters that are these cool. Not sure what they're made out of. It's not metal, but they look like metal and they're solid and a little heavy. So you got coasters in there. You've got your whiskey cards. You're sitting and drinking. You already have stuff to talk about. A lot of you thinking, well, why bullets? So when you get these, make sure you wash them, dry them off, throw them in a bag, throw them in the freezer. Because when you drink whiskey, the last thing you want is the whiskey or bourbon or whatever to get watered down. These are cold, you throw them in there, keeps your drink nice and cold without losing flavor. Little tongs there. Oh, those are nice. Definitely nice cups, solid, not gonna break, really good looking. Not only is it cool, it gets 4.7 stars out of 5 on Amazon, 482 reviews last month. This crate right here, 600 plus were sold. People are buying them, they're liking them, they're keeping them. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.